might like to be under here. Oh my goodness me! It's a smooth knob-tailed gecko. And it's very beautiful, and I love geckos. I really love geckos. Now I know that these guys can make a sound. And they're very cute. Yeah, this guy's very cute. He's so cute. And he's a bit brown here, I'm not sure. I think they can change colour. I'm not that really sure. Yeah, and he has black eyes. And it's very strange to find one. And it does look like a leaf-tailed gecko. He looks so cute. Yeah. Oh, I can't believe I found one. I've never seen one of these in the wild before. Not at all. He is the cutest thing I've ever seen.